Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys didn't know already, I got a puppy. You guys already know this from the title and thumbnail. But right now, I'm going to introduce you to him. He's a 7.5-week-old pit bull mixed with a German Shepherd. Guys, this is Taz. This is my new puppy. He's a pit bull mixed with a German Shepherd, or not a German Shepherd, a Golden Retriever, I'm sorry. This is Taz. He's 7 weeks old, and he's literally just the cutest little puppy I've ever seen in my entire life. Just look at him. Well, he was literally just sitting there since the last clip. He's the chillest little puppy I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, he never even, he's just like the coolest, chillest little puppy I've ever seen. Like, he's the coolest little guy ever. He just likes to chill. Well, I thought he was going to do something. I started recording because I thought he was going to do something, but he literally just walked over there to lay down again.